Hi guys, this is the math assignment for Monday, April 27th. We are doing simplifying fractions. So to simplify fractions, we're going to start by listing out the factors of both the numerator and the denominator. Now the factors are the numbers that can be multiplied together to get that number. So if you want to use a calculator or a multiplication chart for this assignment, I'm okay with that, just to find the factors. So we're going to list out the factors, then we're going to find the greatest common factor. Last week we were working with the least common denominator for multiplying fractions. This week for simplifying fractions, we're finding the greatest common factor. And then we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. So let's start with this problem. 3/12, and we're going to simplify it. So I'm going to start by making a little chart and 12. So our factors of 3 and 12. So 1 times 3. 3 is not divisible by anything else other than 1 and 3. So we can do 1 times 12, 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. Now, what is the biggest number we see in common, the greatest common factor between 3 and 12? I see that they both have 1. That's not the greatest. The greatest common factor is 3. So I'm going to write the GCF is 3. So then I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 3, okay? So 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 3/12 can be simplified into 1/4. Let's try one more example together. Let's do one with some bigger numbers so we can have some more factors. Let's do 24 over 32. So I'm going to start by listing out my factors of 24 and 32. I'm going to make this little T-chart. You can list it out however you want. So I'm going to start 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Let's do 1 times 32, 2 times 16, and 4 times 8. These are the factors of 32 and 24. So now we're looking for our greatest common factor. I see both have 4, but I see both have 2. I see the biggest one though is 8. So my GCF equals 8. So I'm going to go on to my third step, 24 over 32. We're going to divide both sides by the greatest common factor, which is 8. So 24 divided by 8, we can look back at our chart. It's 3, and 32 divided by 8, 4. So 24 over 32 can be simplified to 3 over 4. If you need more help with this assignment, you can join on for our math class at 2 o'clock every day.